হে আমি শালি ইয়ার আজকে তোমাদের সাথে আমি একটা শিক্ষামূলক ভিডিও শেয়ার করব, যেটা হচ্ছে যার টপিকটা হচ্ছে 1 ডে সেমিনার অন চাইল্ড রাইটস অ্যান্ড দেয়ার প্রোটেকশন, যেটা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট টপিক। সো দেখতে থাকো আর দেখে জানিও কেমন হয়েছে।
A seminar on child rights and protection, and in this topic I would like to say that children are the backbone of our society, and our children are the future of our nation. So childhood should be joyful, childhood should be free from fear. And welfare committee Bakura, thank you, and we will listen his practical experiences, knowledge. So now stage is yours.
I am Subhadati Tiwari from Bankura.
Sufferings of the children and the protection of the children, and he has raised many issues regarding the legislations acts which are available for the protection of children like that.
I would like to congratulate Shonisa Madam along with every other faculties and staff members for organizing such a wonderful event within a very short span of time.
Right to protection and right to participation.
Allow our girls, or we've seen that they are allowed to study even.
Imagine a world where children's voices are silent. Something about child rights and protection. First, we have to say. My name is Shahid. I'm a student of AMEX first sem, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. And I am really happy to talk about something that is super important and major issues, that is child rights and protection. As more, they are an important part of society like other humans. They also need some basic rights to live perfectly and peacefully. I wanted to share what is the history of child rights. That is, after First World War, the League of Nations, which would later become the United Nations, wrote the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It included the rights to life, food, shelter, education, freedom of speech, and religion, justice, and peace. In 1959, the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of the Child tried for the first time to make sure that children were saved from abuse. The United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child was made in 1989, and many countries have signed it. This convention gives children a lot of different rights. This United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child is very important for making sure children's rights are respected. And what is the importance of child rights? Children are the world's future, we all know, and they are the ones who will be able to help the country grow and develop. So it is important to protect the rights of every child. In many places, children have to deal with dirty places to live, bad health issues, and lack of safe water and housing, and damage to the environment. Because of all these things, children are left on the streets and don't have a good place to live. They are the most vulnerable resource in the world. They can reach their fullest potential in a safe environment where children's rights are respected. Therefore, they should have the right to a good education, good health, and good food. So, most important question that we all think that what are child rights? Child rights. The Convention on the Right of the Child says that child rights are part of international law. It says that all children should be treated in a fair, equal, and dignified way. The United Nations General Assembly has made these rights universal claim, which means that anyone who discriminates against or harms a child can be ensure that we do everything we can to protect the most vulnerable people in our communities. We can keep them safe from harm, child labor and war. We can help them build a better future for themselves and for the upcoming generation. Thank you.
Of our society, child rights. I am going to state about child labor protection and solution, which is a very major threat to child rights.